Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So LV Handcrafted has a brand new release, Lovely Lavender, and I'm using the Lovely Lavender Extra 1 and the Lovely Lavender Extra 2, and I also cut out these cute bees and paper from the EZ3 Buzzing by 1 sheet. And so I am putting my cards together and I thought, why not start filming? So I am just making, I wasn't really sure how many cards I was going to make, but once you start playing with this cute kit, you just keep on making more and more cards. So it's just so much fun. I love Lynn's kits and I love using her dies with these kits. And that is the die that I used for this one. It's from scrapbook.com. And so I'm going to put the the inner piece in here. And I don't know why, but I feel like the outer piece always like gets bigger or smaller. I can never get it right. So I am struggling here and I am going to take it off, add some more glue. And so that is my dilemma for this first card here. And oh my gosh, the patterns for the Lovely Lavender Easy Card Making Kit is just so pretty. I love the beehives on this. The lavender is just really pretty. I do not like lavender in real life. The smell bothers me. I'm not a perfume girl. So I like natural lotions and scents. So yeah, perfumes. I haven't found the right perfume for me. I know you can go to like places and kind of make custom perfumes and stuff. So I don't know, but like I said, I don't wear perfume. And when I smell perfume or cologne, if someone walks past me, wow, I am like, oh my God, that's strong. So I'm just putting these cute bees are from the EZ3 Buzzing by 1 sheet, and I used my brother's scan and cut, so it didn't cut all of them perfectly, but this one I think it did pretty good. That cute bee in the cup there, and then I used the Ultimate Universal Sentiments die. So let me see, the Ultimate Universal Sentiments die at the Not Too Shabby shop. And I will put in the description what I used down below for you. I found these gems in my stash, so I said, why not add those gems? And I couldn't find purple, so I think these clear ones are fine. And I used the Easy Wonder die number 3 for this pattern paper here, and it's from the Lovely Lavender Extra 1, and I think I'm the only one with this gray or silver metal die here. I think everyone has that pretty green color. So anyways, but you can use this Easy Wonder Die 3 with the Easy Guide printable, but I just wanted to use it with this paper, and so you can use it anytime, and I love that it gives you all these pieces to mix and match. And so I just love how it cuts everything out, and I'm going to use the banner die cut. And I'm going to add my pieces here, and I was looking for another piece that I was missing and I couldn't find it, and then I'm trimming off some pieces where my brother's scan and cut left like some white areas, and I cut off an antenna. So you just never know what you're gonna get when I used my brother's scan and cut. That's why I call it a lemon. And so I'm thinking, which bee should I use? I'm looking at the printables, they come with like postage, you know, different cut aparts that you can cut or use your machines to cut them. I just fussy cut with my scissors on those, and so I'm going to add one to this card here with the Easy Wonder die number 3 that I cut out using the Lovely Lavender Extra 1, EZ3 Lovely Lavender Extra 1 that I put on my page that was really pretty. I have all my notes here, and it really is really pretty. That's probably one of my favorites. So I hope you grab this kit. Use my code vonmariedesign in capital letters, and you can get 10% off your purchase. And I will put that in the description below, or maybe I will put it on the screen if I can remember for you, but definitely in the description. And just adding some more gems, and I added this sentiment is from the release that was on the 5th, from the Lavender Honey and the Easy One Lavender Honey sentiments, and I just love it. It's I love that one too, that release. You can use them together. How pretty is that? It's so pretty. I love it. So I'm using some cream A2 card bases, and I thought it went really well with the colors here. And next I'm going to do an ATC card, so that's 2.5 by 3.5. And if you belong to the Paper Escape, maybe you signed up for the swap that we were doing. Lynn had set up a fun event, and we were all sending each other ATC cards, which was really fun. And I have a few that I have in a binder, and so I love that. So I have these 2 pieces, and you can see honey, but you can't really see lavender written out. So I was wondering where that piece was. I know my desk looks really messy right now. And that's just from these projects, so it's funny how messy it is. But I will clean it up after. And so I didn't know if I was going to use that hexagon, which is really cute, because I really wanted to add a bee, because I love all the bees, and I just wanted to use bees in all my projects. And I love that one with the glasses, so cute. And so here we are. I'm like, if I cover up that lavender and honey, then what's the point of having it on my ATC card if I'm going to cover it up? So here is what I'm doing. I'm putting that cute little sleeping bee. I love my sleep. In fact, I took a nap before I did this voiceover. So I'm going to add a sentiment to this ATC card. And then it's going to say, I'm going to change it up, I believe. And it's going to say, bloom beyond your dreams. And I felt like that bee's dreaming, so, and things are blooming while he's sleeping, or she's sleeping. So again, I'm going to add a few more gems. And there we go, so cute. So now we have, what do we got? 2 cards and an ATC card done, or an ATC. So I have this purple paper, and I was going to use it on a previous project, but now I'm going to use it on this project. And it matches, it's purple, and so I'm going to use that. These bees are from the EZ4 buzzing by one sheet. And then I made a banner and I used a paper punch to make that banner there. And then I found some other paper from the lovely Lavender Extra 1, and then that banner is the lovely Lavender Extra 2, so why not add everything to this one card? I love all the patterns here, and then I use the Universal Ultimate Sentiments die, and wait, Ultimate Universal Sentiments die. You have to make sure I say that correctly. And then I layered up my sentiment, and I thought, why not make the sentiment sideways? There's plenty of room sideways there, and then I'm going to add this postage cut apart. It's really pretty, and I feel like I can smell the lavender already. I think it would make my allergies act up. And just adding a few gems, and then I thought, why not add some gems to the antenna here? I have some tiny ones, and I think that just makes it so much cuter, and I'm looking at that card right now, and it's just so cute. Okay, so here is my last card. And this one is one of my favorite. Well, I like them all, but I just love how simple this one is. And I use this from the EZ3 Buzzing by One Sheet printable. And I'm adding just a sentiment, layered it. And I used a Spellbinders die there to the right. It was from a kit. And very simple, and I love it. I'm going to add some gems. I thought about adding some extra pieces, but I liked it as is, so I'm going to keep it like that and add these gems and add some gems to his antennas. And so cute, and there we go. I love my cards, how they came out. I did fix my ATC card to make it spell lavender and honey. So here are my cards here, and I did get this pin on my vacation, and so I love coffee, so I collect pins. So my ATC card, I'm going to fix that ATC. And my cards here, just sharing. And then I found that piece after I filmed, so I had to show you. There we go, lavender and honey. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.